Hello my lovelies, and welcome to Allotment of the Dead. As we said before, right at the start of this little journey onto YouTube with my allotment, not everything goes to plan. So we've had some really high winds over the last couple of days, and come down to the plot. Everything seemed fine yesterday, and today I've got everything kind of falling down. So have a look at this. So my acacia frame completely capsized. The tomato one, they were going to come out anyway, but they've gone over. The sweet corn, the wind has kind of blown it all sideways, and the bean frame is well and truly knobbled now. So first job today will be to get those out. Oh well, it's such is life. All the best guys, take care, bye bye.